Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix screen flickering on your OPPO Pad 5. So because of the display design and technology, the screen flickering on this tablet is mostly caused by either the brightness level, which may cause screen flickering at low values, or also some image enhancements, and all of these settings can be easily changed. If we go to settings, open display and brightness, and here you can, for example, disable auto brightness and set the brightness to the static level. Also check your screen refresh rate, and if auto select causes screen flickering, you can use either standard or high refresh rate in order to reduce this effect. Besides, also you have to go to the eye care and try disabling eye comfort mode if you have it enabled, or maybe if adaptive tone causes this issue, then try disabling this feature. Also check the screen color mode, as you have two different color modes, and they both can be adjusted. So try using different presets and check which one causes the least screen flickering. Also, make sure that your device is updated. Check System and Update, go to Software Update, let your device download the most recent version, and then let it restart. By the way, a simple restart might also resolve your issue, so just press power button and volume up key at the same time, swipe the circle up to restart, and wait until your device is restarted. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.